currently the goal is to figure out how to get these old flip phones back to life. Two very old cell phones. This one is a Sony Ericsson from Singular. Push to talk. This one is an LG flip phone. So the charger's on each of these. There we go. See, we're looking for something like this, and for something like that. I mean, this one is missing a button, but the power button is here, so we're good. We still got the power button to see if it has power. This one doesn't have a battery in it. This one doesn't have a battery. I need to find a battery and a charger. This one does have a battery, just needs a charger. This is just as old, has a battery, has a charger, does come on, does work. So I think I'm gonna actually record a little bit of these video of those old cell phones on this old camera. I do need to go by I think it's maybe the Habitat or the thrift stores, the Goodwills and things like that, and sift through their giant boxes of technology that no one needs until moments like this. So that's what I'm going to do there. But I'm hoping that I can find at least a charger for the one that does have a battery, the cell phone. But I would like both. But if I could just find a charger for the one that does have a battery, I'm good. But I think I can still find a battery, maybe, hopefully, like eBay, Etsy, something like that, for the Sony Ericsson.